Hello! This video will tell you what's hot as we introduce the HOT system that will be used in clinical trials. HOT stands for Handling of Temperature. Handling the temperature of clinical trial products during shipment and storage can be a complicated, manual process. It is, however, necessary to ensure quality and patient safety. In short, HOT is an IT system that will automate the current process for temperature handling of clinical trial products, making it faster, simpler, and more efficient. Let's look at an example. Scenario 1 illustrates the process for handling shipment loggers as it is today. A shipment of products arrives at the clinic. As the personnel unpacks the shipment, data is downloaded from the shipment logger. If a temperature deviation has occurred, a report is printed. The products from the shipment must be placed in quarantine until further notice, and cannot be dispensed to subjects as originally planned. This may result in failed patient visits, as the doctor has to wait for the result of the temperature deviation evaluation. Days later, when the doctor receives the results from the evaluation of the stability data, it will in most cases show that the products are in fact okay to use. Subjects must then return to the clinic to receive their trial products as originally planned. But how will that process look when the HOT system has been introduced? As clinic personnel unpack the shipment, data from the shipment logger will be directly uploaded into the HOT system, and a temperature evaluation will be completed automatically, within seconds, to confirm if the products are okay to use or not. In most cases, the products can be dispensed to subjects as planned. Let's look at a different scenario, when we handle storage loggers on site. This example illustrates the process as it is today. Imagine a normal day at the clinic. Someone has accidentally left the refrigerator door open, and as the temperature rises, the logger alarm goes off. All products in the refrigerator must now be placed under quarantine until further notice, and the subjects must be sent home. Temperature data is then downloaded from the storage logger and a report of the deviation is printed. Physical data reports from shipment loggers must be retrieved and included in the storage logger deviation report to conclude on the entire history of the stability data. When all relevant data is submitted, the temperature control team will conduct a temperature evaluation. Days later, when the doctor receives the result from the evaluation of the stability data, it will in most cases show that products are in fact okay to use. Subjects must then return to receive their trial products as originally planned. But what will that process look like with the HOT system? When the storage logger alarm goes off, data from the storage logger is uploaded directly into the HOT system, and a temperature evaluation is done in seconds. In most cases, the evaluation will state products are in fact okay to use, and they can be dispensed to subjects as planned. In cases where a deviation requires further analysis, the system will tell you that you need to take action and enable faster and more simple processing with the temperature control team on a shared data platform. Finally, let's take a look at the documentation. From the beginning of the trial to the end, all documentation of temperature deviations and dispensing of products have been saved automatically in the HOT system, and can be retrieved quickly and simply at any point, for example for inspections. So what is HOT? It's an IT system that makes the handling of temperature faster, simpler, and more efficient.